Asante sana. Ni mitambo-ini ya Kameme Keuka mwingine getwo Man Simon.
Nina njitagwo kata tukihomuka.
Yes, na he handu njirigite last year. Yes, tuko mambira maya turambite mundu akwirwo no ruta mazaa maria we ugwikirwo no agatoto. Ngimo ha. Tugisemania na andu baigana ona. And one of the guy gave me a very interesting story. Yeah, his father.
Yes.
Todo ajira ni Simon tigane papa. Tigane papa. Ya ndigere guku. Tigane ke?
Papa.
Ni ndigere ke?
Guku.
Ndigere guku. Akijira he was a very ambitious person. And even today he is. By all means and standards. He is an ambitious person. And no ajiriri atikijira atiriri last year. Papa auri ni kora kiru. Riwawa.
Nimekora.
Acha. Tondu ari mukora.
Tondu ari mukora.
Aiyaga mburi. Papa ari mwici wa mburi. Wajita. Na ndio undu nginya nao mamenyete ti mari anene asa no ni mamenyete makamenya karia ya baba wao
ni moizi.
He was a thief.
Yes.
Na meta kwa teisia cia akiria meta kwa kasorastras kana meta kwa
katorastras
ni katorastras nugo meta kwa rito liko lirito muno
katorastras
neta kuga string
moizi wa mahio.
Father, to deny or anybody else.
Yes.
We are talking about his father. He was a cattle thief. Anita.
Yes.
To iremena mundu ungi muthuri ungete moragirwo nake. Maiyaga ki?
Ng'ombe na mburi.
Maiyaga mburi muno. Main yao yari mburi.
Ma specialize na mburi.
Na ndikweka ni o maire cia Kamau Aranet. Hende cia Kamau Aranet cirigite kuiyo.